Hello everybody, good looking Pete. Just trying out something new on the live stream. How's you like the air? Hey, odd bod. Is that dark enough for you? Makes me look 94 now. Anyway, I'm going to try something new. As you can see in the top left hand corner, must change this around. This is a live stream. And I'm running another live stream within a live stream, as you can see, which is quite handy if you want to walk around. I don't think anybody's tried that yet. No, certainly they haven't. I'm just getting all this ready for when we get on the boat. We want it as clear as this on the boat. I know we can do it crap quality like most of them do, but we do want to get it as so you get the enjoyment out of it. It's just a quick test. See how clear it is. As you see, it's still pretty good looking. What are you doing? There's Raven. Hey. Raven. Certainly getting a lot bigger. Oh, is that for me? Hey, get up and go. Take your walk around. Just want to see how clear it is. Probably see me in both. It's an interesting one. Anybody needs to know how to do this, if I'm going to do it. I'm going to see what I can attempt. I want to actually try and get 4 going at once. Nobody's ever done it before. Nobody's done most of this before. It's all new. But I want to see how clear it is. How clear it actually goes. Imagine it's quite clear there. It's a crappy camera, that's the main thing. I'm going to upgrade my camera this week. There's a crap camera. It's all just a test. A good camera. Where's that dog gone? Hello. Come on, sit down. Sit. 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 Oh, look at my eyes. Oh. Yeah, oh, look at all the scratches all over me. Get down, dog. Come on, come on. So, like I say, just a quick test. It will work quite well on the boat. You've got 2 or 3 cameras working, different people, different views from the boat. Oh, I've got something else, let me just go and get it. I'll turn this one off. Should close down. Yep. 1 second. As you can see, it's rather a large box. Try to get it on the table to show you. Don picked this up. Car boot. Most of it not. Most of it's no good. No, most of it's no good for us. It's a microphone, but we found out we can use it with the Sony camera, and it actually does work very well. I'm going to put a video up after this when we tested the microphone out of Alan singing. So if you want to turn off now, you can do. Pop shield, plenty of cables with it. An arm, which may be coming handy on the boat somewhere. It's all new, this stuff and all. Look at the price. It's not expensive, about 50 quid worth. Don't pay the pound for it. I'll just take this part off because this is how we got it. So we got the microphone. It's a very good, believe it or not, for a cheap microphone. Condenser mic. It's very good sound quality, and it's we can plug this into the Sony because the Sony's got a stereo port in the bottom of it. There's a cable coming out of it, back of it, plugged into Sony, and as you'll see on the recording that we've done, the sound was very good. But as you know, these sponge ones are not fantastic at sea. So we looked round and I found an old Russian hat, which had the dead cat on it. These are called a dead cat. When you put these on, the sound does go down. Get me dead cat. We were going to get one of the real cats, but wait till they passed away. Anyway, this is a very good sound. But for £1 for the whole lot, done a very good job. That's the way to do it. You don't need £20,000 worth of gear. Get the cheapest you can. We didn't get there this week, sailing. Hopefully we're going to go, hopefully Monday, maybe Tuesday. The weather's not been great. Today was a day when nobody could go, and it was the best weather of all. That's about it. I'm going to try doing a proper live stream tomorrow. This is just a test. I'll announce the time and try and get a couple of them down and do it. Till then, see you soon.
Love is a many splendid thing. It only glows in the early spring.
Right, here's one for you. Amazing Grace.
Oh, give over. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
That'll do that.
That's your lot.